Hi, in this video I'm gonna make Pewdiepie's katana from Coco Melon Disstrack music video. Yes, I know it was deleted by YouTube due to their policy, but the good thing I already downloaded the video before it was deleted, and if you want to see it, I already put the link down below so you can check it out. And for the katana, let's make a DIY. Okay, so this is the actual size of katana. I got this design online. If you want to make your own katana and you want to know how big and how long your katana will be, you can use the handle to measure it. You can make the handle the same length as your arm, from your wrist to your elbow. And this is the best size for me. Alright, these are the layers of the katana. I use carton paper and also this zinc plate. You must be wondering why I use these materials. If I use bamboo, it's hard to find a good quality bamboo because this day here is a rainy season. And if I use wood, wooden katana, I don't know how to make it, and it's going to be difficult to find the best wood to make the project. But this material is gonna work, trust me. Alright, so I add cans on this side of the sword to make sure it has better quality, stronger quality, because this is my first attempt of making the sword. It's like this because I didn't add cans on this side, and now it has better quality. Okay, now we just need to put red and black strip on this side. So I just print some stickers. But first we need to add black tape on this side. This side a little bit swerve. I think we need to cut it a little bit. Alright, now we need to make a guard on this side, and I'm gonna use this cardboard carton, and also I already printed a sticker, proof it. guys, this is it. DIY Pewdiepie's katana. Well, you can't really cut things with this sword, but you still can use it to do cool sword tricks like spin forward, spin backward, and other katana tricks. Overall, the making of this katana is pretty simple. You can make it by yourself. And the hardest part for me is the making of the strap on the handle, which is in Japanese, the technique is called Tsukamaki. In here I use plastic tape, which is make it harder. But if you use cotton, maybe it will be easier. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, share to your friends, and consider to subscribe to see my next project in the future. As always, stay creative.